You're on.
Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your cheek? Where's your eye? Where's your ear? Where's your belly button? Where? Where's your belly button? Where? I can't see it. Right there?
It's so cute.
Where's your nose at? Where's your nose at? Where's your nose at? Where's your forehead? No, your forehead's right there. Where's your teeth? Where's your mouth? Where's your tongue? Where?
Go like this. See?
Where's your belly button? Where? Where? Right there? Let me see. Watch this, watch this.
High five.
No, let me see. No, put that down. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
You're so cute.
Let me see. Watch, now he's gonna do it to me. Let me see. 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 Let me see.
Uh-oh. Rolled off on the little floor.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, sorry. Where's your nose at?
He's picking his nose.
Where's your nose at?
Right there. Say, where's your nose?
Get your finger. Ew!
Yeah. Yeah.
Get out of here!
Don't hit the mommy.
I'll make you eat your boogers. Eat them.
Oh.
Tristan is ate his boogers. You're a booger eater.
Booger eater.
You're a booger eater.
Booger eater.
Wait, Willie. I'm gonna give you a titty twister. I'm gonna give you a titty twister.
Hey. Titty twister? Say boobies. Word of the day. Word of the day.
Tristan.
What is it? What's the word of the day?
Boobies. Say yeah, Trick.
Say mama quit fishing. High five. High five. Come on, high five. Hey. Hey, you high five. They didn't know high five. You know what high five is. Mommy's gonna kick your ass, dude.